What's everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. Today I'll be cooking the Boston butt pork roast today. So not sure why they call it the pork butt, because it is the shoulder part of the pig. So yeah, let's go. All right, y'all. So the ingredients I'll be using today is liquid smoke, pink salt, a little bit of ginger, bay leaves, hickory smoke. This is the dry rub that I'll be using to put on a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, some pepper, a little bit of cumin, beef stock, and that's it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna start with the vegetables. Got a 1 bell pepper, green pepper, half an onion, and a carrot. Okay, so I'm gonna chop these up. Throw it in with the roast and get to it. All right, y'all, I'm back. So we got the meat inside the crock pot. Y'all can see that. It's all seasoned up well. We can go ahead and turn the crock pot on. We're gonna be cooking this for about 8 hours. And like I said, a lot of people cook it for 8 hours or till the inside temperature is at 320 degrees. Next, I'm going in with the beef stock. Because we don't want to burn this, we don't want to burn the bottom of our roast. My Worcestershire sauce. I only had like a swig left, that's why I'm using it. My liquid smoke. About a teaspoon of my liquid smoke. Alright, so while I was cooking, y'all, we can start chopping up our vegetables. Let's go. Alright, yeah, we back, y'all. Gonna cut these vegetables up. I'm doing half an onion. Yeah, I'm just rough chopping them. I'm not doing no small, no real small pieces because it's gonna break up anyway. Nothing too small. I'm gonna throw those onions in the pot. I don't know why I always do this. I always see my grandma do this, so I think that's why I do it. It's kind of like cleaning whatever they spray this food with, maybe. But I always clean my carrots off before I cook them. This is not really for eating, really. It's just for the flavoring my food. But if I wanted to eat it with the meat, I could. I seen a little hack on TV where somebody cuts this thing and they just pull this right out. That's why I cut it like this. They just pull this cord right out with all the seeds on it already. See that? I'm just gonna rough chop this. Nothing too fancy. Make sure y'all taking these stickers off before y'all put it in your food too. Make sure you peel those stickers off before you put it in your food. I'm just rough chopping this, just kind of mainly for flavor. I'm not gonna really too much be eating this. And that's it. Just throwing a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just gonna throw half a lemon in there just for flavor. So give me 1 second, y'all. I hope everybody's having a good day, man. I am blessed. Yeah, I'm just gonna take half of my lemon, squeeze my lemon juice in there. Just a little bit of lemon flavor, that's it, not too much. Not gonna do the whole lemon. All right, y'all, this is 8 hours of cooking the roast. It's ready to be taken out. I'm gonna take it out the pot and cut it for y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna cut this roast and show you how it looks after eight hours of cooking it. All right, y'all. I'm back. Got the finished product right here. Let's see how that looks right there. Y'all see that? Let's dig in, see how that tastes.